Okay, right, this one's an interesting one. I don't know how big it's going to be. It's going to be a challenge size-wise to get it right. Okay, we'll look at that later. Right. Oh, fuck you, Konica. I didn't put it on there properly, I just put it there. But anyway, I'm not going to fuss too much with that. I wonder what background colour we're going to give it. I think it's going to be pumpkin. I wonder what the hue's going to be. I'm going to leave it out. We're going there. Okay. We're just going to warm it up a bit. And the black, we're just going to keep it. So what is it we've got? And we've got to size it. So we've got to find out, oh, we've got something on the glass from a previous demo. All right, we're just going to throw that aside. We're going to take out what we've got. Now it is Take Me to the Beach. It's a fridge magnet, Take Me to the Beach. So we're just going to put our beach themed thing there. It looks like, yeah, it's not quite A6 in height. But we're going to just see, I don't know how big we're going to make it. It's a challenging size. So I'll just scratch my ankle, sorry. So let's see how big we're going to make this lovely beach themed fridge magnet. We're going 300 by 300, which is fairly normal. It's not going to be compressed or stretched as yet, not for this particular one. And there goes the scanner making that horrible squeaking noise. See if we can make this fridgie look even nicer, a bit more surreal. Let's have a look. Okay. Oh, that sounded a bit squeaky at the end there. Whoa, the colours look good. I really love this. This has turned out a lot better than I thought, but we've got to get the length and the width. Try to fit it to page, but it looks brilliant. I love it. But we just got to make it fit better. So it's got to be bigger than 300. So horizontally, it'll probably be about 330. And the vertical is only slight, so it's going to be stretched a certain way. So 300 and 300, I think 300 and it's got to be bigger than that. Fuck. 300 and we're going 310 for now. See how this goes. See if our fridgie comes up looking properly sized, even though it's going to be distorted size-wise. So let's see how we go. Okay, let's see how we go. Let's see how this one turns out. Okay, right. It looks like we got it pretty close. So yeah, we got that just a bit off. That's a good fit. And here we just have the edge there. So I'm wondering if we're going to call it quits. It's not perfect, but it should be good enough. I think that's a really nice picture. Very warm and inviting.